Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to log in to your Vanguard account. Whether you're managing your retirement funds, checking stock prices, or just getting started with online investing, knowing how to access your account securely is essential. I'm going to walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can get logged in without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're on the official Vanguard website. Open your web browser and type in www.vanguard.com, or use the app if you prefer mobile access. This helps avoid any phishing scams, so always double-check the URL. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, usually at the top right corner. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the login page. Now, enter your username or email address in the first field. That's the one you set up when you created your account. Think of it as your unique key to the door. Next, type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you're using the correct capitalization. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, and I highly recommend you do, you'll get a prompt on your phone or email for a verification code. Enter that code to confirm it's really you. If everything goes smoothly, you'll be logged in and see your dashboard. But hey, what if you run into issues? If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the steps to reset it. Vanguard will send you an email with instructions, so keep an eye on your inbox. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable, and try clearing your browser cache if things aren't loading properly. Logging in securely is crucial for protecting your financial data, so always use a private network and log out when you're done. There you have it. That's how you log in to Vanguard in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.